How to create a website with Hostinger. So this would be a step-by-step guide for those of you who are wondering about how to do that. This would be a 10 to 12-minute video. So this is for beginners, small business owner, or if this is also your hobby on creating websites, so you can learn a little bit about this video. So stop overthinking about it. In 2026, you don't need to touch a single line of code to launch a website. Today, I'm showing you the absolute fastest way to get online using Hostinger's brand new tools. We're going to we're going to go from nothing to a live website in under 10 minutes. Whether you are starting a blog, a portfolio, or an online store, this is the updated 2026 guide you need. So let's dive in. First, we need a home for your website. Head over to Hostinger, put a link in the description that gets you the best deal for this year. I recommend getting the business plan. So I'm gonna scroll all the way down so you can see the pricing. Here's all the pricing. You have premium, business, and the cloud startup. For those of you who are just wanting to test, you can use the premium. It comes with a lot of cool things right there. I recommend a business plan because in this year it includes the horizontal AI builder, a free daily backup, and enough speed to handle growth. Plus, you get a free domain name for the first year. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to select the business as plan here. I'm gonna choose it. So here you're gonna select it 48th month because that's where you get the cheapest price. Because if you go for 1 month, price will be a little bit high. So I would strongly recommend getting the 48th month so you can pay per month $2.99. It's the best deal. You get to have it for a long time to host your site in there. So you can apply the code below this video for those of you discount, and feel free to go ahead and check out. Once you're inside, go to the dashboard and click on domain. So you will see a prompt to claim your free domain. So keep it short, avoid hyphen, and try to grab a .com domain if it's available. If your first choice is gone, Ossinger AI will suggest some great alternative for you. So if you need some suggestions for alternatives, you can come here and you can tell the AI to generate a domain for you. Let's say, for example, in this case, I'm looking for, let's say, you know, a food domain name. Okay. There you go. Then AI will go ahead and recommend some domain name, as you can see, Junta Cafe, Junta Hub, juntafood.com. So it tells me a little bit about those that are available, and you can go ahead and claim your site that way. And for those of you who are also wanting to buy an additional domain, this is how you can do it. You can go ahead and either generate based on an idea, and you can get and buy the domain that way as well. For those of you who want more domain, you can do that as well. But for those of you who also already know what your domain name is, you can just write it down there. And for those of you who already have an existing domain, you can feel free to go on transfer here, and you can tap the domain name that you want to transfer, and then you can follow the steps to transfer your domain in Hostinger as well. Now for the fun part. We aren't using templates today. We are using Hostinger Horizontal. It's the conversational AI which helps you build the site while you talk to it. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna get started with it. So here the conversational AI, it's open. So let's say boutique coffee in Seattle with a dark aesthetic menu. Let's say I want to create something like this. I'm gonna type it right there. Like a boutique cafe shop in Seattle with a menu page and an online booking system. That's all I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and click generate. So it's gonna take a little bit here. So AI is thinking. Press next. This is just showing me how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and press next there. Give it a moment. All we need to do is to be patient. The video is continuing to load. As you can see on the side of the screen, it's definitely updating. So now it's completed. I'm gonna click right here to view the portfolio. There you go. Here we are. So that is the site it created for me. because I'm recording the videos. That could be why. So recording, it would definitely appear right here. So here's the final site that it created. As you can see, it's very nice. Here you can explore the menu. It even created the menu and the pricing: espresso, cappuccino, latte, cold brew, mocha. Very, very cool patisserie. You can see came out with some idea in there as well, and some food. You can open it and you can, let's click on it. There you go. You can see it brings the price and everything else. So let's go to reservation. Somebody can go ahead and reserve for how many people, and the contact page. Let's see what he did there. Okay, some detail in there as well. So in less than a few minutes, I was able to put together a website where you can make a reservation. That's the power of using Ostinder. Now let's talk a little bit about how you can customize and polish the website. So I want to get back to the editor, and you can see the sites as well here inside. So even though the AI did the heavy lifting, it's a simple drag and drop from the editor. You can click any text and you can change it. So if you click on editor here, let's say for example, I want to change our menu and be our favorite menu or something, I can just go ahead and tap there, favorite menu, and then press save, and it would transform it. So you can literally change any text here, you know, right away. And you can also do the same for the image. If you want to change the image, you can just drag and drop a new image, and then you would the imagery is as well. In another way, if you do not want to generate the image, you want to change the first image, you can always ask AI here. You can type, please change the espresso image, and then you can just type it, and it's gonna go ahead and update the image and change it for you as well. That's another way you can do that. Perfect. And then you can also see here, ask it to update coffee image. You went ahead and updated the file. It's done. I've updated the espresso image to a fresh, high quality shot that better matches your premium dark aesthetic. Would you like to change any other images that the AI asks you? So I'm gonna go ahead and check what images it has put in there. I'm gonna go on in my menu on coffee. You can see all the coffee image. Espresso, you can see the espresso one did change. I just by typing here, it's very nice, very easy. So check out the page here. So on the left, you can add the blog or an e-commerce store with one click. Since we are on the business plan, the AI even set up your initial SEO that data tag. So that's really the nice thing about it here. If I want you to add a page, I can just go ahead right there, and then it would add an additional page for me, and that would definitely do it. A shirt e-commerce site for store for my coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and type page for selling shirts. There you go. And it's for the Noor Cafe. I'll go ahead and do that. And it's just gonna take a little moment here. Perfect. Before we add a page on e-commerce, specifically for e-commerce, I need to make an integration first. Then it will work. And you can see the step-by-step right there, instruction there. I'll cover that in the next video. But for this video, we're gonna stick to the basic site that we created. For those of you who are wondering if this is mobile friendly as well, yes, by clicking here, you can see the site on mobile as well. Easy peasy, and every single thing is, somebody can go ahead and make a reservation on mobile, and the contact page as well. A very nice touch, and the home page is there. So a pro tip for you here: always check the mobile view. Very important. Most of your visitor will be on the phone. Ensure your mobile buttons are always tapped and nothing looks awkward. So once you are satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and press go live, and that's it. To go live, you're gonna click here, publish, and then that's how you would get your site live on the internet. pretty easy. Congratulations, your website is officially live on the internet. You can go ahead and explore and see how it looks. I'm gonna refresh mine to see how it's looking. Just a moment there. Perfect, it's online. And then I have all of my things in there. So that's how you build a website on Hostinger. No stress, no code, just a little bit of AI magic. If you ran into any issue, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to reply when I can. If this helps you, hit that button and subscribe for more tech simplified videos. Courses, I also have courses on Udemy. You can go ahead there and type in my, and you'll be able to all my courses on Udemy, and then you can take it from there. So I teach a lot of cool technology things in there. Feel free to go ahead and follow. Very importantly, there are a lot of students in my courses, so I strongly recommend taking some of them. For those of you who are seeking to learn a little bit or get your AWS certification, I have a course on that. My course is in there. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video.